Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to make Kabuli chana sprouts in my stainless steel sprouts maker. Here I have about half a kg of Kabuli chana and I will be soaking about 250 grams of it. But before that, we need to wash them really well in clean water. Wash them once or twice and after that change the water and soak it in clean water overnight. I soaked it for about 8 to 9 hours and next day morning I will drain out the excess water and this is what it looks like. Here I have my stainless steel sprouts maker as it comes with holes everywhere but there is no additional container to collect the water. We need to use an extra plate. Now I will transfer half of the kabuli chana in my sprouts maker, will cover it and keep it aside. Remaining half I am going to consume today itself. One day later, this is what the chana looks like. I will put this under running water and also we need to wash the plate, otherwise it might start to stink, and keep it for another day. Next day, this is what the sprouts look like and they are ready to be consumed. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.